What is mathematical induction? Explain its principle. Mathematical induction is a proof technique used to establish that a statement is true for all natural numbers. It works in two main steps, the base case and the inductive step. In the base case, we verify that the statement holds for the initial value. In the inductive step, we assume the statement is true for some arbitrary value. This assumption is called the inductive hypothesis, and then prove it is also true for if both steps are satisfied. The statement is true for all natural numbers. It is like a chain reaction where proving one case leads to all others. Differentiate between weak and strong induction. Weak induction assumes that a statement is true for a single value and uses this to prove it for strong induction. On the other hand, assumes that the statement is true for all values from the base case up to, and then proves it for while both methods are logically equivalent. Strong induction is more useful when the proof of a case depends on multiple previous cases rather than just the immediate predecessor. What are recursive definitions? A recursive definition defines an object in terms of itself using smaller or simpler instances. It consists of two parts, a base case and a recursive rule. The base case provides an initial value, and the recursive rule explains how to build new values from previous ones. For example, the factorial function is defined recursively as, with base case recursive definitions are widely used in computer science for defining sequences, functions, and algorithms. What is a recurrence relation? A recurrence relation is an equation that defines each term of a sequence as a function of its preceding terms. It provides a way to generate sequences step by step. For example, the Fibonacci sequence is defined by the recurrence relation with initial conditions, and recurrence relations are important in analyzing algorithms and solving counting problems. Explain linear recurrence relations with example. A linear recurrence relation expresses each term as a linear combination of previous terms. It does not involve powers or products of the sequence terms. What are homogeneous and non-homogeneous recurrence relations? A homogeneous recurrence relation is one where all terms depend only on previous terms of the sequence. A non-homogeneous recurrence relation includes an additional independent term. Homogeneous relations are generally easier to solve, while non-homogeneous ones require finding both a complementary solution and a particular solution. What are generating functions? A generating function is a formal power series used to represent a sequence. It converts a sequence into an algebraic expression, making it easier to analyze and solve recurrence relations.